A healthy budgie diet consists of at least 25% vegetables and fruits daily, but some budgies, for many different reasons, just won't eat vegetables or fruits, and that might shorten the lifespans. I've gathered some tips that will help you get your budgie to eat veggies and fruits. Some budgies are afraid of large chunks of vegetables, and others are just too lazy to try them. So instead of giving them a whole piece of bell pepper, for instance, cut the vegetable to tiny pieces so it feels easier to approach, and that could even remind them of eating their boring little seeds. Another tip is to give different textures of veggies for your budgie. Try to grind, peel, mash, or cut, and see what works best for them. You can even cook some veggies. Maybe your budgie will like the soft texture, but remember, raw veggies are healthiest. Some budgies take their time when it comes to trying new things. Skip never tried kale, for example, but I kept bringing fresh kale to the cage every day. One day he just decided to try it, and since then he loves bathing and eating kale at the same time. So the tip is to keep bringing your budgies fresh veggies every day, even though it's a waste. And for the first times you will throw the vegetable away. But your budgie might decide to try it one of those days, and that will be worth it. The next tip always works for me. Your budgie probably has a favorite food, whether it be seeds, millet, or some herbs. Try to cut small pieces of a veggie and mix it with that favorite food. Even if your budgie won't like it in the first few times, they will start to get used to the flavor of vegetables, and the next few attempts will increase their chances of trying veggies. Another way to get your budgie to try vegetables or fruits is to sprinkle some seeds on a wet veggie or fruit. At first they will eat their seeds, and then they will start to bite the vegetable. Budgies also love to eat wet vegetables and herbs. They love to nibble on the water drops and also to bathe in it. The final tip is to replace your budgie's bowl of seeds with veggies and place the seeds in a water container. That way they will understand that their main food are the vegetables in the seed bowl. Their seeds will always be available as a snack whenever they feel like it. Morning times are best for this trick, as they are most hungry at these times.